welcome back to the shed. Another couple of hours to spare, so another short video on the XJ600 project. Just removed the forks and the yokes and the handlebars and the ignition. Yeah, pretty much ready to move on to other things now. Also fiddled around with that exhaust, rescued the headers from that beautiful rusty exhaust. And that's it really, just keeping the project going, keeping the videos coming. Thanks for your interest, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.
Just remove this YAMAHA logo. There should be a couple of screws under here, if I can get it off. Here we go. There we are. Flipping heck, that is tight. Let's try it the other way. It's better. So once the caps are off, you can get to these Allen key bolts. So not too bad. Handlebars have got like teeth underneath the interlock to change the angle. Should use a copper mallet for this really, but I've kneeled down now, so I don't have to get back up. Could do with a scissor lift, the bike's rocking. Anyone out there willing to donate? Feel free. There we go. A bit more. Hands are in now. Tidy. just need to cut this. Just want to label it up now before I forget. I know there's a manual and you can look in the manual, but it's easier to label it now. I only forget. Bit of old masking tape will do. Doesn't have to be anything special. That'll do. Ignition.